Hello students, welcome to our online learning channel. This is class 10th science and today we are going to discuss the first chapter of your science book, that is chemical reaction and equations. Actually all the chapters of your book are divided into three parts: chemistry, physics and biology. So this is the first chapter which belongs to chemistry, that is chemical reaction and equations. So the first thing we need to discuss about before starting this chapter is the name itself, chemical reaction and equations. Let us begin with the concept of changes in nature. In previous classes we have studied that in nature there are two types of changes: first physical changes and second chemical changes. We talk about physical changes. These changes are external changes, these changes are easily reversible, these changes are not permanent, and no new substance is formed in these kind of changes. But if we talk about chemical changes, then in chemical changes always something new is formed, a new substance is formed. These changes are almost permanent, these changes are in internal properties of the matter, and these changes are simply irreversible. So chemical means internal. If we talk about the first word of the name of the chapter, chemical means internal, andar ka. Now the word reaction means interaction. When there are two substance or two things and they interact with each other, then that is called interaction between them, and that is called reaction between them. And the equation, what equation is, simply we can say representation. With the help of symbols, with the help of atomicity, when we represent a chemical change, then that is called equation. So the meaning of the name of the chapter is when substances, here you have to remember one thing, substances. In science, substance means either elements, compounds or mixtures. साइंस की भाषा में अगर हम सब्सटेंस के बारे में बात करें तो हमारे पास एलिमेंट्स होंगे, कंपाउंड्स होंगे या फिर मिक्सचर होगा. तो हम ये जो चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे, इस चैप्टर में हम डील करेंगे सब्सटेंस के साथ, और सब्सटेंस तीन तरह का हो सकता है: एलिमेंट्स, कंपाउंड्स एंड mixtures. They will interact with each other. Means now we can connect chemical means internal properties of elements, compounds and mixtures. They interact with each other means there will be a reaction between them, and we will represent that reaction in the form of equation, and that will be the meaning of chemical equation. So students, that was the meaning of the name of this chapter, that we just got an idea what we are going to study in this chapter. I have told you about these substances. Means whenever there is interaction, whenever there is reaction, this reaction will be between these substances. इस दुनिया में बहुत सारे substances हैं और नेचुरली या आर्टिफिशियली वो सारे सब्सटेंसेस एक दूसरे से इंटरेक्ट करते रहते हैं. जब वो सब्सटेंसेस एक दूसरे से इंटरेक्ट करते रहते हैं, देन वी ऑब्जर्व दैट इंटरेक्शन, वी स्टडी दैट इंटरेक्शन, and we represent that interaction in the form of chemical equation in which we use the symbols of those elements. Simply, सारे एलिमेंट्स के, सारे कंपाउंड्स के और सारे मिक्सचर के कुछ नाम होते हैं, उनके नाम के सिंबल्स होते हैं, उन सिंबल्स की हेल्प से हम उन्हें एक इक्वेशन के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर पाते हैं. सो दिस वाज अबाउट द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर. Now the next thing we need to discuss before starting this chapter is physical changes and chemical changes. So in this chapter we will not talk about physical changes, we will only take note of chemical changes. Means whenever a chemical change happens, means whenever there is a change in internal properties of matter, then this happening leads to a chemical reaction. Whenever there is a change in internal properties of any substance, this leads to a chemical equation. Means, just take an example. Magnesium is an element. This is an element which is magnesium. Okay? If magnesium is burnt in air, we normally take magnesium ribbon and this is burnt in air. It burns with white dazzling flame and it gives as a result white powder. This is also mentioned in one of the activities of your book, that when we burn magnesium ribbon in presence of oxygen, it burns with white dazzling flame and it gives white powder. This is a chemical change. Means after burning, magnesium is not magnesium anymore. Magnesium becomes magnesium oxide. Magnesium is burnt in air means Mg. Now Mg is a symbol for magnesium. It burns with oxygen, that is O2. This is the chemical equation for this reaction, and the chemical equation shows when magnesium is burnt with oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide. So there is a change in magnesium. Magnesium becomes magnesium oxide. It becomes white powder. It burns with white dazzling flame and it is burnt in oxygen. So there are two elements, they interact with each other and they form a new substance. This is the concept of chemical change and this is the concept of chemical reaction, and we have represented this chemical reaction in the form of a chemical equation. So this is the first thing you have to learn before discussing this chapter, means what a chemical reaction is and how does it take place. If we want to observe or if we want to determine that a chemical change has taken place or a chemical reaction has taken place, there are some factors which can give a basic idea about whether the chemical equation or chemical reaction has taken place or not. The first thing we can observe is, whenever there is a chemical reaction, there will be change in state of elements interacting between. Second, a change in color. Third, evolution of gas. Change in temperature. कहने का मतलब ये है सिंपली कि अगर कोई भी केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रही है तो हमें ये 4 फैक्टर्स हैं जो हम ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. वेदर देयर इज चेंज इन स्टेट और नॉट, वेदर देयर इज चेंज इन कलर और नॉट, वेदर देयर इज एवोल्यूशन ऑफ एनी गैस और नॉट, चेंज इन टेम्परेचर और नॉट. सिंपली. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम सम अप करें, हमने अभी तक जिन भी बातों पर डिस्कशन किया है, द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड इक्वेशंस. केमिकल मीन्स इंटरनल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एनी सब्सटेंस, रिएक्शन मीन्स इंटरैक्शन. ये इंटरनल प्रॉपर्टीज होंगी किसी भी सब्सटेंस की, इंटरैक्शन इन्हीं सब्सटेंसेस के बीच में होगा, और जब भी इन सब्सटेंसेस की इंटरनल प्रॉपर्टीज इंटरैक्शन की वजह से चेंज होंगी, तब हमें ये ऑब्जर्वेशंस ऑब्जर्व करने मिलेंगे. चेंज इन स्टेट, चेंज इन कलर, एवोल्यूशन ऑफ गैस, चेंज इन टेम्परेचर. और हम ये डिसाइड कर पाएंगे, हम ये देख पाएंगे कि वेदर अ केमिकल रिएक्शन हैज टेकन प्लेस और नॉट. अगर केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रही है तो दुनिया में होने वाली हर एक केमिकल रिएक्शन को, दुनिया में होने वाले हर एक केमिकल चेंज को हम केमिकल इक्वेशन के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, जिसके लिए हमें इन सब्सटेंसेस के सिंबल्स की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, उनके नामों की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, और यही सब हम इस चैप्टर में आगे पढ़ने वाले हैं. सो रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स वी विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. Do watch this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.